This time next week, we will be on a cruise ship, and I want to take this opportunity to ask all of you, what exactly do you want to see and learn about the Celebrity Eclipse? Stay tuned. Hi everyone, Rob from Cruise Seekers, and today we are very excited because this time next week we will be on a cruise ship. We're going to be on the Celebrity Eclipse on October 28th, 2023, doing an 8-night Mexican Riviera cruise leaving from Los Angeles. So we're going to be doing port stops at Cabo San Lucas. That one's an interesting one because it's an overnight. We are also going to be going to Mazatlan and Puerto Vallarta. And the really other cool thing about this cruise for us is we're going to be going with some other cruise seekers, which is pretty darn amazing. We can't wait to sail with all the folks that are from this community. Thank you so much for sailing with us. We feel so blessed for you guys wanting to come along with us. And not only are we going to make this interactive with cruise seekers on this cruise, we also want to make this interactive with cruise seekers out there in YouTube. So if you have any questions whatsoever, hey, leave them in the comment section. Let us know what you want to know. I will get you answers. And in order to make this even more interactive, we're going to be very, very active in the community area. We're going to be putting up polls. We're going to be putting up questions, a lot of pictures. So, hey, think about subscribing and turn that notification bell on. There's going to be a lot of different things going on next week. Shorts, questions in the community threads, and also coming up real soon once we get off the ship, long formatted videos for all the different things that we did. And we're planning on doing a lot. We're planning on going to all the different dining venues. We're going to go to Marano's. We're going to go to Tuscan Grill. We're going to go to Le Petit Chef. We're going to go to Sushi on 5. And we're also going to be doing a chef's table. Of course, we're going to go to the main dining room. We're going to go to the buffet. So if you have any questions about the main dining menus right now or how the buffet is looking, don't hesitate to ask that in the comments down below. We are also planning on going to all the different entertainment that is on the ship, and we're going to experience all the different nightlife. This is going to be a fun trip. I can't wait to share it with you folks. And as for excursions, if you have any questions about the ports and what's there to do at those ports or what we're doing at those ports, don't hesitate to ask that in the comment section below. Again, we're also doing a lot of stuff in the community thread. Let us know what you want to know in that section too. And in order to kick up this excitement one more notch, I did create a hype video. We like to create hype videos before we go on a cruise, and we got one for this one, which we will show right after I sign off. So let's do that now, right? So until we talk again next time, this is Rob from Cruise Seekers reminding each and every one of you to always seek the seas. Let's roll that video. We'll talk to you soon. Bye now.